Car jacks are very simple devices manufactured to help lift the vehicle you're working on. They are very strong and don't require much mechanical expertise. There are different types of emergency car jacks on the market. Selecting the best emergency car jack among so many models can be difficult. That's where we can help you. You will learn authentic information about the 5 best emergency car jacks in 2023 on the market in this video. Before we jump into the review, we selected only the most effective emergency car jack available on the market in 2023. We examined the factors that differentiate an emergency car jack from good to great, such as its quality and performance. We didn't include any products that we thought didn't have enough power to carry out the tasks it was intended to do. Number 1. Zerone 3-ton electric car jack. The Zerone 3-ton electric car jack has a body made of thickened steel and paint that won't wear away. It has a design that looks like teeth. The shape of the jack looks like teeth. The reinforced solid screw rod keeps the electric car jack from breaking or twisting easily because of its wide base, which gives it a larger contact area, and its triangle shape, which gives it more stability. It is an important piece of gear to have in case of an emergency outside. You can plug it into a 12-volt power source in your car or straight into the battery. It has 2 heads that can be taken off and raised. Each head is made for either a sedan or an SUV. Lifting heights for cars weighing less than 3 tons range from 12.5 centimeters to 36 centimeters and from 17 centimeters to 42 centimeters for SUVs. With the included electric wrench, you can take off screws, change a tire quickly, and improve the tire jack. This electric scissor jack set comes with a controller, crank handle, impact wrench, screwdriver, fuses, a pair of gloves, and many other useful tools for your comfort and ease of use. Presented in a plastic storage container to make it easy to move and keep for a long time. It is equipment that is small enough to fit in the car and can only be used to change a tire or fix something on the side of the road. Number 2. 2 tons hydraulic floor jack. This floor jack has an extended lift height of 290 millimeters, which makes it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including automobiles, sport utility vehicles, and light vans. This floor jack has a design that makes it simple to operate. The foundation is made of cast iron, which ensures that weight is distributed evenly and makes lifting much simpler. Overloading is avoided thanks to the integrated safety valve. This floor jack will assist you in moving virtually anything with its convenient carry handle, long-lasting steel construction, and space-saving design. This floor jack is ideal for anyone who requires a heavy-duty floor jack but does not want to compromise on the product's quality. This floor jack is up to the challenge of any task thanks to its sturdy design made of steel and its industrial hydraulic pump. This hydraulic floor jack with a capacity of 2 tons is not only one of the cheapest but also one of the safest floor jacks currently available. Additionally, it comes with a swivel caster wheel that enables you to set your lift precisely where it needs to be. Number 3. Heyner Germany Heavy-Duty Car Scissor Jack. Heyner Germany Car Scissor Jack is the ideal option as an emergency car jack. Because it features an adjustable rotating saddle, the Heyner Germany Car Scissor Jack gives you the ability to personalize this tool to meet your specific requirements. This jack features a strong crank with a handle, allowing you to move the jack to any location where it may be required. The car scissor jack made by Heyner is simple to operate. Anyone who is looking for a reliable car jack should look no further than the Heyner Germany Heavy-Duty Car Scissor Jack. This jack's lift capacity ranges from 0.8 tons to 2 tons, making it suitable for lifting the majority of automobiles, vans, and SUVs. Its rubber pad is not only practical, but it also stops scratches from appearing on your vehicle. The manufacturers provide a carry case with each Heyner Germany Heavy-Duty Car Scissor Jack so that it may be simply transported from one location to another. Overall, this car scissor jack is perfect for lifting your car or van for simple repairs. Number 4. Zerone 5-ton electric jack. The electric jack has a heavy-duty thickening steel plate and an antioxidation painting body, and it is anti-rust and wear-resistant, and when it rises above its height limit, the machine will stop working. With a long enough line, you can plug it into the 12-volt power outlet on your car or directly onto your battery, and the car/SUV will go up. It can lift the car/SUV in less than a minute with its 5-ton load capacity. For your convenience, the electric jack set comes complete with a safety hammer, fuses, a pair of gloves, and other necessary items. The product comes in a plastic storage case for ease of transport and long-term storage. It is equipment of a compact size that can be stored in a car and brought out in an emergency to change or repair a tire on the side of the road. By using the LED lighting on the jack, you can create a flashlight. The jack is able to meet a variety of requirements, and the other tools in the set together create an important and useful tool set for use in outdoor emergencies. Number 5. IMACC Scissor Jack. It has a load capacity of up to 3 tons and makes it simple and efficient for you to change tires. The lifting height ranges from 105 to 440 millimeters, and it weighs 3.3 kilograms net. It is more stable because of the enlarged and thickened all-steel foundation, as well as the wider contact surface. Because it has a shaft constructed of solid steel, it is resistant to corrosion and does not rust easily. When compared to standard jacks, it has twice the speed of rising and lowering, which results in an improvement in overall productivity. With its dual-use extended ratchet spanner, you can easily and quickly adjust the vehicle's height. You can easily and rapidly adjust the direction thanks to its easy-to-use and a convenient 360-degree rotating head, which is compatible with the majority of cars. The jack can be used on a variety of vehicles, including automobiles, SUVs, pickup trucks, vans, buses, station wagons, and more. It comes with a convenient storage bag that may be used for putting things away. Because it is lightweight, compact, and easy to carry, this device makes it possible to rapidly put it to use in an urgent situation.